Okay, so we got hello, welcome to this minding service, and this time we have the Macbook Air M1 generation, I believe 2020 model 2337. It's customer number 237. So the problem with the laptop, the screen was cracked somewhere in the middle, and we need to replace the new screen. So here we are. After replacing the new screen, everything's back to normal. Beautiful screen, and the camera is working fine. So I'll let you know if you have the MacBook or any laptop you need the service for replacement screen, and feel free to contact us at this Minding service anytime. Thank you. Bye bye.